For over 170 years, Giesecke+Devrient has been defined by our ability to make the lives of billions of people more secure. Our extensive industry knowledge, creative collaboration, and reliable delivery translates to a superior client experience across a diverse offering of physical and digital solutions. At the forefront of security tech, our U.S. card production facilities are meticulously crafted from the ground up. We provide end-to-end solutions tailored to meet our clients' specific needs and ensure their brand stands out in an ever-evolving marketplace. Our complete control over the card production process, from raw materials to the finished product, guarantees unmatched quality, security, and flexibility. G&D is your trusted concept-to-card partner to help realize business aspirations, whether they're immediate goals or long-term visions. Our team of industry experts collaborates closely with each client, crafting custom cards that build lasting impressions and enhance customer interactions with your brand. Our commitment to excellence extends to our operational security. G&D's facilities adhere to the strictest standards, undergoing rigorous annual audits and achieving certifications across numerous industries to ensure the highest level in safety, security, and compliance. At G&D, our infrastructure is thoughtfully designed with our clients' needs as our priority. G&D is proud to offer a diverse, adaptable, and secure portfolio of physical and digital solutions that not only meet but exceed expectations.